Here's how to reset a password for your email account under your Website.com plan. Note that this video is for you if you have access to the plan's member dashboard. For example, this is if you are the site owner or the site admin. So to reset the password, we want to log into our Website.com account. If you're on this page, you can start from log in. If you're on the home page, that's right here. Now log into your Website.com account. Now you can click on Manage Email Users beside Mailbox, or under Email, you can also choose Manage Email Users right here. Now you can find the email account that you want to reset the password for. So this is the one I want to reset. Just click on this settings icon and click Change Password. Reset the password to one that has at least 8 to 14 characters, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Enter it again, and then click Update. That's it. The new password has been set for that email account, and now you can log into that email using this new password, or make sure you let the email account owner know that the password has been changed. Thanks for watching.